like, oh, glowy. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a 5 step-by-step skincare routine. If you are new here, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's get right into the video. The first product I'll be using today is the ordinary product. This is the first thing I'll be using because it's a peeling solution product. Here's what it looks like, and this is what it looks like inside. Normally I use a scrub first, but this is just like using a facial scrub. Instead of having to scrub your face, this is like just going to like peel the dead skin off your face. So if you prefer a scrub, then use your scrub first,
or any exfoliator of your choice. So the ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% is a peeling solution, and it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So you have to leave it on your face for 10 minutes, then after which you rinse off with lukewarm water.
10 minutes. So here's what my face looks like after washing it off. So the next product I'll be using is my Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So
make sure to apply evenly on your skin and massage for 60 minutes, after which you rinse it off. Then you can either pat dry your face or leave it. I prefer to leave my face to dry so I don't contaminate it with any towel or face wipe. So I just leave it, then I go to the next stage. The next step is to apply my toner. The toner is one of the most important parts of your skincare routine, and it's the very first layer because it's always very light. So I use the glycerin and rose water toner, which I've always used. I've been using this for a very long time and I really like it. Make sure to apply evenly on your skin.
next we have my Cosrx Snail Mucin, which I'll be applying now. Step 4, apply your moisturizer. So today I'll be applying the Kogisan face cream, and I'm going to be applying it evenly on my skin. Everything has to be applied evenly. I'm sure you can start to see the glow on my face already. So last but not the least, we have step 5, which is the sunscreen. So I'll be applying the Skin Aqua Super Moisture UV Gel.
This is the last and most important part of your skincare routine because some of the products we apply make our skin prone to sunburn. So applying a sunscreen will prevent you from sunburn.
Now this is the end look of my 5-step skincare routine. This is how glowy my face looks. And last but not the least, very important part of your skincare routine is a lip gloss. So now it's done. Imagine stepping out like this, you're going to be like, oh, glowy. So that's the end of my video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, please and please and please. If you like to see more videos of me doing skincare, please leave it in the comment section. And lastly, all these products I purchased from Mama Tega Cosmetics and Spa, located in Yaba. If you would like to know where that is, watch the video attached to this video, or check the link in the bio. Thank you. Bye. Quick tip on how to know if a product is fake or original. All you have to do is check if it has a barcode. If it does, type out the digits in a barcode in your preferred browser, and if it brings it out, you know the product is original. Make sure to apply same technique to all other products that you buy. Don't go and buy fake. Another thing you should look out for is the shelf life of a product. The shelf life of this product is 12 months. Not all products have shelf lives, but you can look out for them. But be rest assured that you're getting original products from Mama Tega.